Well, let's see, what time is it? It's 1:30 in the morning. Brian, I appreciate you picking up the phone in the middle of the night, bud. I called Brian. I said, Brian, you awake? No response. I'm texting him, right? Dude, wake up. Dude, wake up. He's like, wow, I'm awake. I'm awake. I'm like, dude, can I call you? He's like, oh, yeah, sure, I guess. So I call him on the phone. He's, what? What's going on? I said, dude, I'm looking at your xforce 6 pill. He goes, okay. I said, man, you burn a pill. He goes, is it worth repairing? I said, well, yeah, it's worth repairing. He goes, okay, fix it. I told him how much it was going to be. He goes, oh, man, it's great. Fix it. And I said, do you want me to shoot a video? He goes, yeah. I said, can I make it public? He goes, yeah. And I said, okay. He's probably going to regret that when he wakes up in the morning. The public part, it's all good. Brian, look. Here is your 6 pill. You blew this transistor, and then you nuked this entire combiner unit, as you probably know, because I know you took the tin off. Brian, what happened is your output, this capacitor right here, that little guy, he's chubby, it went bad, and it dropped down to a total value of 17. It's supposed to be a value of 150, which threw this 2-pill transistor section into an imbalance. So what I did is I replaced the cap, rebuilt the combiner unit, gave you the upgrades on the power wire, redid your input tune, redid your output tune, and dropped a new transistor in, replaced the 10 ohm resistor, and then I went and put the lid on it, went and ran it, and this is one of these amps where the fan would blow out instead of pull air in. So I went in and I flipped the fan over, so now you're going to have cool air blowing down onto your components, cooling off the components, keeping the cap from failing, because these caps get hotter than frig. And then it'll wrap around and blow out the back. So it's not going to be the same amp that you sent up here. The other thing I did is I cleaned your fan and got all the dust and shit off of it. As you can see, it looks like new. And so it's going to blow straight down onto all the parts. The air is going to wrap around, go out the back side of the cabinet. Friggin' cool, dude. Okay, so here's the inside of your box. Here's the transistor I replaced right here. And went ahead and I beefed up this distribution bar. We found over time that these bars, because the positive rail is fed down here and not in the middle, we found that over time, if you don't have a beefed up distribution bar, right about in here, the phenolic that's on here will actually burn and break because there's too much of a load trying to distribute the 12 volt positive DC. So I went in here and I put ground braid down inside of this. You can see a little bit through the solder, and then soldered it in place, which will help you having that problem. I've seen probably a dozen boxes that are like this that have that fail right there. So I'm going to put the lid on it, and then we're going to make it do more wattage than you've ever seen before, because it's really amazing what these can do. About 1700 watts and about 600 bird if you got everything set up just right on the inside. So if you now got the right setup, you're probably going to see a little bit better performance from this thing. So let me throw the lid on it and we'll get on with the testing. Okay, Brian, I've slapped a little BBL logo on there for you as you ask, and let's make a quick lap around the band here. 1000 watt slug in PEP, 1000 watt slug in average, 5 watt slug in reverse, back from the bird, 10,000 watt dummy load. 2950. We're going to use the bench 2 pill. We're going to hit your straight 6. We're going to drive the shit out of it. We're on 14 volts, and we're going to make it make about 1600 watts of power and about 500 watts bird. So let's first turn off the 2 pill. And so just with the 29, well, first off, I'm skipping a step. Show 2950's drive. Hello, audio. Hello, hello, hello. Hello, 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 hello. 20 watts. Talking through the box. Hello, 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 hello. That's not right. Hold on. Hold on to our undies here. Hello, audio, hello, hello. Now we talking. Okay. Bypass the 2 pill directly into the straight 6. Talking through the box. Hello, audio. Hello, audio. About 20 watts worth of drive, right? Let's connect our 2-pill again. Alright. 2-pill is hooked back up. Going into the 6-pill. So let's kick on the 2-pill. I'm going to show you our input drive. Hello, audio. About 350 watts peak is what we're going to put into this thing. Hello, audio. About 100 bird is what we're going to put into this. And we're going to drive it hard. We'll put away wet. So, trying to go forward. Let's kick this over to 2x. Now we all know how this reads. Right here is 1,000. Okay, right there. We're gonna end up here. It's about 1,600. So we're driving it hard, bud. If you hit this with a 120 watt radio, you're gonna get about 1,300 out of it. Peak. Hello, audio. Hello. About 500 bird out of it. About 1550, 1600 watts out of a straight 6. That's it, man. Done and done and done some more. You're all done and fixed and repaired. I'm going to yank this thing off the bench. I'm going to run it inside. We'll go to ship and quote and get her sent home. Brian, I appreciate you sending it up. Appreciate you giving me a quick chance to go through it and get you back up and running in 10/8 straight. It's what I do. I appreciate you sending it over here, and I appreciate everybody who watches every one of these videos. Gentlemen, my name is BBI. Without a shadow of a doubt, I am the biggest mud duck in Idaho, and there ain't no doubt about that no more. God, I wish Prime would get his station on the air. Guys, appreciate y'all watching. On to the next one. I think it's another X-Force, I do believe. I'll see ya. Bye.